The human body has several systems in place to recover and heal itself. Here are some key components. Immune system. The immune system is responsible for initiating the body's response to injury, which involves inflammation and the removal of damaged cells and tissue. Cell regeneration. If you break a bone, your body immediately begins producing new cells to heal the damage. When your skin is cut, platelets in your blood clot to stop the bleeding. White blood cells remove the dead, injured cells, and new healthy cells repair the damaged tissue. Nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals is essential for healthy recovery. Certain foods have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve immune function, promote healing, and provide the fuel necessary for recovery. Rest and sleep. Rest is crucial for recovery. During sleep, your body works to repair muscle, organs, and other cells. Chemical signals in the body help control and regulate the repair process. Hydration. Water plays a significant role in the healing process. It is necessary for all bodily function and improves circulation and the transportation of nutrients. In the body, exercise. Regular, gentle exercise can help to boost your circulation, which helps to bring more oxygen and nutrients to your tissues to aid in healing. Stress management. High stress levels can interfere with the body's ability to heal. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and other relaxation practices can help reduce stress levels and aid in recovery. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific concerns about your recovery or healing process.